if there's 8 billion people on the planet, if we spread the 21 million Bitcoins, the target is like 0.002 Bitcoins. It's a very small amount. And we're talking about this over less than a generation, maybe 15 years. That's the process.
Willie Woo, a respected on-chain Bitcoin analyst, has shared numerous insights into the crypto market. In a recent conversation with Bitcoin YouTuber and journalist Natalie Brunel, Woo discussed Bitcoin investing, especially for those who miss the early, cheaper days of the asset. With Bitcoin now trading above $100,000, many new investors feel discouraged. However, Woo advises against this, suggesting that the high price reflects Bitcoin's growing influence and its potential to outperform traditional assets. Woo also discussed how much Bitcoin to invest in, noting that even a small amount could see significant growth in the future. He reflected on Bitcoin's recovery from the 2022 FTX crisis and the increasing interest from institutions like BlackRock and Fidelity. While Woo is cautious about short-term market challenges, he remains optimistic and predicts Bitcoin could reach $5 million per coin. Stay tuned for more insights from his interview. Also, if you enjoy listening to crypto-related content, please show your support by liking and subscribing to this channel by following the link in my bio. And get access to my free daily crypto updates and expert predictions direct to your inbox. Each newsletter contains market intelligence, on-chain data and latest updates from experts in the crypto space. All of this is available completely free of charge. Signing up only takes a moment and you can always change your mind later on. Now back over to Willie Woo.
Well, there was an interesting cycle, the last cycle. We had a lot of uptake on the futures exchanges. Obviously, the CME came in on the tail end of 2017, and over that time, we had a development in the futures market, effectively trading paper bets on Bitcoin. And the last cycle was very dominated by paper. And so and this is the thing, is that when I do my work, which is looking at what's happening with the transactions on the blockchain, where you can kind of get a good read of what's happening with investors with spot, you don't get the full picture of what's happening on the derivative side of things. And whilst there was a lot of buying on the underlying spot Bitcoin, there was a lot of bets coming in on the tail end of the bull market. I think we touched 70,000 for a second time. And then the amount of paper bets on Bitcoins went through the roof. So you don't, in that phase of the market, you don't actually need to sell your Bitcoins, right? If you want to exit, if you're like an investor, a sophisticated investor, you wouldn't sell your Bitcoins. You would just hedge them out and sell shorts on your Bitcoins. And it turned out that you would collect something around 20% annualized yield by netting out to cash. And that's actually what happened. And that tipped the market. And then, of course, the weakness in the underlying crypto side of things, like Lunaterra blowing up, and then a cascade of liquidations and like earn products blowing up, and eventually FTX blowing up. We had a very, very pronounced bear market as a lot of coins got dumped. And so it turned out the bottom of the bear market of 2022 was just after the FTX collapse, and that was when all the paper evaporated. They stopped their shorts, and a lot of Bitcoins got scooped up off of the exchanges. Some of that was probably custody risk, but I think a lot of it was bought up, and that marked effectively the start of January 2023 bull market.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe for news and expert predictions direct to your inbox.